case, and what the prosecution has done is really dirty up Jim Curly Prokopovitz, right? Yeah, I mean, pointing him out as a liar. There's no question that he perjured himself. He admitted to that. In addition, he's potentially an adulterer. I mean, or at a minimum, he started a new relationship just weeks after his wife went missing, and they did a good job of also portraying him as someone who is abusive and controlling. So if the jury returns a guilty verdict on this purely circumstantial case with no body, no real forensic evidence of the murder, it's going to be because the prosecution did a good job of telling a story about someone that the jury is not going to like. As far as the evidence today, I was really surprised with the prosecution. They played the whole video of Jim, confessing and then retracting that confession to the murder. I understand why they did it, to get the perjury charges and set forth those elements, but they didn't close as strongly as I would have liked. I really wish they'd closed with Darlene, the ex-wife, who brought up the story, even though it was about 20, 30 years ago, of Jim pointing a gun at her. I thought that was a very powerful testimony yesterday.
Yeah, it was interesting. That, for a couple of people here in our studios, they thought that was the turning point. They thought her testimony really put it over the top, saying that he was clearly capable of those kinds of acts. And they thought the choking part was the part that maybe they could even envision him doing